Get this look if you want to know how to apply false eyelashes in 5 easy steps. Go ahead and keep watching. 19. Hey loves, welcome to my channel. I am Monique Lynette. Thank you so much for watching. As you can tell from the title, today is going to be about applying false lashes so you can live. So I have 5 easy steps. Let's just get right into it. Step 1 is go ahead and prep your face, put on your makeup. Go ahead and put on your makeup. The thing you can do is optional. You can go ahead and curl your actual eyelashes to prep them to get ready. I don't, because most of the time I'm in a rush and I put my lashes on just so. So I have so many people that want to buy lashes, but they are afraid on how to use them. They don't want to be looking crazy. They don't want to have big fans. They have like all these reservations. So I'm here to show you how to do it in 5 easy steps. So these are opulent. These are from my company, Mo Lavish. I already was playing with one. So when it comes, you're going to know this side, the right side is for the right eye. Left side is for the left eye. I'm going to use this eyelash applicator that is available in my starter kit for lashes, starter/travel kit. And you are just going to, this one came out easy because I was already messing with it. So you are just going to pick this up as easy as possible. Take them out. Bend it so it can flex and curve to your natural eye shape. Pick up your applicator, or you can do it by hand. And what you want to do is measure your eye. Everybody does not have the same eye. One common mistake is everybody believes that whole eyelash is supposed to go over your eye. I used to think the same thing. Nothing wrong with that. Just have to evolve, honey. You gotta evolve. So this is my little starter kit. I'm gonna use everything in this video from the starter kit. It comes with the eyelash applicator, glue, and a little neat trick I learned was a manicure set. When you're just starting out, if you don't have all these utensils, or say you're on the road, you left everything at home, it's a cute little set to take with you. It does come with tweezers, so if the eyelash applicator, if you haven't moved up to that, you're just beginning, you can go ahead and use the tweezers. It also comes with a toenail clipper, nail filer, and then it has these little babies. I forgot what they call. I think I want to say manicure set or something like that. So with lashes, what you want to do is do not cut the inner side. You don't want to cut this side that's going to go here. You want to cut more outwards. Alrighty then. So, and you can live, honey. Alright, so this little compact mirror that I'm going to give you guys. I'm put my little sticker on here, make it real official. Like a ref would always all. Because I have not launched this yet. I just had it, and it's just been on my product development list. And then I added beauty products to my line, so that kind of like took precedent over this. So it took off so quickly. So let's do this. All right, so I'm applying. Well, what am I applying? I'm holding the lashes with the applicator. And then, so the trick is what I used to do. I hope this thing don't dry up on me. I'm gonna have to start all over again. What I used to do was try to apply it like this. in the mirror. And they'd be way up here. Girl, you couldn't tell me nothing. I thought I was living. So the trick is, the gag is, back up some. The gag is to look down into your mirror. On the right side. Yeah, I'm on the right side. Place your mirror downwards. And then look into your mirror, and you want to aim for the middle. You want to aim for the middle of your eye. And then once you do the middle, you want to seal up the sides. You want to get as close as possible to your eyelids as you can. To the end of your eyelids as you can. But the mirror, you catching your eyelids from the bottom makes all the difference in the world. Okay, because now you can see it and now you have control over it versus just depending on the mirror in front of you. Now once you have the lash on, once you have the lash on, what you want to do is kind of marry your lashes to your natural eyelashes, which that's where the prep would come in. You kind of want to curve your eye. I'm just have to get down and dirty with y'all. So what you do is go ahead. What I'm doing is blending my eyelashes, my natural eyelashes, with the false lashes. And you just take that and you get right up there, because you don't want nobody close up on you being able to see your natural eyelashes. Okay, honey? So that's that. So we did it with the eyelash applicator. What I'm gonna do, if you want to see it both ways, I'm gonna go ahead and do my left side with the tweezers. Oh, once again, just gonna pull the eyelash out very softly, very gently. I'm running through fast this time. I'm using my tweezers. I'm gonna just measure. Take a little bit off the back. If I didn't show it the first time. Usually for me it's like 3 strands. You just cut it off just like that. Just like that though. Alright. So you're gonna hold it. Get your glue. Super Stronghold Eyelash Adhesive Clear by INV. I like to use a lot. I mean, not a whole gang of it, but I like to get a good amount on there. And you're supposed to clean the top area after each wear. And then when you're putting the glue, you want to put it on this top part, on the top strip, but you also want to make sure you're getting it on the back strip, because all that is going to be attached to your eyelid, and that's a little secret on getting your natural eyelashes to match the false lashes. Y'all feeling my hoodie? I don't even usually wear hoodies, but I don't know what happened today. I thought I was like pressed, honey, pressed. Okay, so I got a label on, so you know what it is. Yeah, I'm wearing highlighter today. This is like my third time wearing a little highlight contour stick, and it has like a rose gold tone. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I put it here, 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 here. Y'all let me know if y'all can see it and if it's popping, because I feel like, woo, this thing giving me life. All right. So it's about dry. I mean, it's still showing like a little clear, but this, what I love about this one is it goes on clear, but when it actually dries, it's like, when it actually dries, it'll be black. So it kind of looks like you used eyeshadow. I'm not good with drawing a line with my eyeshadow. Don't ask why. But I'm not. So it just kind of looked like I did a little bit more extra, but I didn't. All right, so I'm going to take the mirror. Like I said, look down into, I'm gonna add with it, get a good grip on it. And notice that I have the tweezers right in the middle of the lash, because that's where that's your control area. So I'm gonna look down
and aim right in the middle of my eyelid. Then you're going to pick up each side. Just going to pick up each side. Make sure it's on there. And then at this point, you're just going to go ahead and marry the eyelashes together. I'm just going to use my hand. I'm better with using my hand now. When I first started, I used to be so scared. Like, oh my god, I gotta use the tweezers. And I seen all these videos, everybody using their eyelash applicator, being so girly. And I'm just pressing my eyelids together because I don't want anybody to see my natural eyelids. So, girl. And boom, honey. Yes. You are on that quick. It's just something I put on eyelashes. You just feel like so extra pretty. And then you want to blink a lot and talk a lot and stuff like that. So, yeah. I'm going to put all my little stuff back while I talk to y'all. I'm going to give y'all a few tips. You guys, this is my third video. The other videos I did a voiceover, so I wanted to let you guys get to know me a little, because I will be dropping more videos and content, because it's just an amazing journey that I'm on to be a business owner, entrepreneur, mom, everything. And I want to record it and help others on their way. Like, I just started, so you guys will grow with me.
Once you take them off, just remember to put them back in the packaging the way they were. Remember your left side, right side, so that when you go to reuse them, switch. When you go to reuse them, you can just go back to them. It's a real cute box. When you're not using, you can put it next to your makeup case or things like that. So I wanted to make it really girly. So that's all I have for you guys today. You can get your blink on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I tried to make it really easy, but I did want to walk you through it, because I do see videos where it's just like, do this, do this, do that, and then you have all these questions. So I definitely wanted to tell you why you shouldn't do the things that you do, like why you shouldn't put mascara on, why you shouldn't do all of that, and it becomes kooky. And then the biggest thing for me when I finally learned how to do them was to look down in the mirror instead of trying to look up, because when you look up, you're only going to see your eyelids. You're not going to see what's going on here. I did see another video, but to all my ladies, all my Mo Lavish women, here you go. Love you. Keep God first and everything else will fall into place. Live, love, and be lavish. Thank you for watching. Bye.